Nice job.
You want to do your bubbles?
I want to see you do yours first. In your fun Thomas whistle.
Ow!
There were lots. Oh, do it this way so I can see. Try again. I like the whistle. Good job. Nice job. That's a nice bubble. Oh, that one popped.
That one's go down. That one popped. But that one go down too. But that one go.
Try to blow out and do the whistle at the same time.
Get these bubbles off.
Oh, okay. Oh.
That was nice.
Oh, you did it. Good job. Can you make him whistle one more time?
Oh no.
And then I will blow bubbles too with you. Make him whistle. Just make him whistle. You don't have to blow the bubbles to make him whistle. Try again. Nice job.
Oh, you do your bubbles?
Yes.